Hey, what's up everyone? Have we met yet? My name is Daniel, also known as Tweaker Dan, and today I'm going to share with you some raw content of having some wood milled. Due to safety and the health of two of our trees, we had to have 2 trees removed from our property. After dropping the trees, I heard that you could hire a mobile milling company, so I figured, hey, why don't I try? And this is what I came up with. My ultimate goal was to repurpose some of the trees we had to have cut down so that my children and I could actually work on some benches or tables and then gift them to family and friends.
Not particularly. Should I put them on something?
We can just start with the size for right now.
Okay.
Let me clean it for you.
I have a blower too.
Yeah, because the water, usually I use the brush.
Okay.
Scrub it off. Otherwise, it leaves some staining.
Gotcha. What kind of location should I store them in?
Out of direct sunlight.
Okay.
Get the breeze, the good airflow.
So if it's shaded and I just cover it with something.
Yeah, usually I just throw a piece of can over it or something like
Okay.
that. Something for the air to blow through the clean spot.
Okay.
You got a couple rounds, we can set them on rounds for right now.
Okay. I did get all that wood split.
You get it?
Yeah.
Nice.
It hurts to do it on all my free time.
I don't have enough free time.
I'm glad I didn't do it.
You sure if that little bit gets in the gravel?
It looks pretty. Are you coming back out, bud? anything from me, just feel free to ask.
We're just trying to keep them flat. This log has some tension. It's trying to twist it.
Yeah.
So that's why I keep flipping it back and forth trying to get that tension out.
Gotcha.
Yeah, it's still got them all.
I feel like that bottom piece probably doesn't need to be ripped the same or milled the same.
Okay. What do you? It's 2 inches.
The very bottom one?
Yeah.
Oh, so they're both 2?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then never. I was thinking they might be different at that point. But are we just flipping it on this one? Yeah. I actually have a lot of customers that have asked for. I've never known a milling company for anything,
Yeah.
but
And
which is yeah.
rate's 120 an hour now, but I've been giving a discount to referrals from coffee to $100 an hour
Referrals.
from coffee's ground.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That I cut and everything, but I added to it
Oh.
and stuff like that. So, hey, To me, it's all the same, one way or another. Some of the rounds were cut to like 12-inch pieces instead of like 16. So I tried to make separate piles of the 12s.
Uh-huh.
But my stacking got better and better as I went.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Yes.
Oh, look at this guy. Try to take the other side off first on this one. It's a little twisted.
Like rotating it 180.
Maybe like that. You mind if I take those knots off the edge there?
No, not at all.